Today, I'd like to offer you some tips to make a scoopable milkshake using various Itaberco products. Let's call it an Itablizzy. When making an Itablizzy, one of the most important parts to consider is texture. Whether you want it thicker or thinner, it's important to have balance with the components. Often these treats can be difficult to flavor, especially when relying on additional ingredients that can affect texture. Thankfully, Itaberco creates a variety of products that work perfectly for building your frozen delight program. Soft serve makes a perfect base for creating a versatile frozen dessert program, and the Itaberco soft serve mix delivers consistent texture. Using any one of the Itaberco flavor compounds creates versatility and flexibility for your menu, whether used by themselves or in tandem with inclusions for texture. Lastly, Itaberco toppings and sauces make fantastic garnishes, providing additional flavor, texture, and visual appeal. We recommend starting with about 450 grams of soft serve and 50 grams of half and half, plus any inclusions, if you like. Since half and half is already homogenized, this helps to prevent iciness when blending and makes it a bit easier for the blender to work its magic. Next, add your Itaberco flavor compound of choice, starting at a ratio of about 4% to the weight of your ingredients. For the 450 gram soft serve and 50 gram half and half recipe, 4% would be 20 grams. For stronger flavor, remember, we can always add more. If using inclusions for flavor and texture, I like to arrange them like a parfait. Inclusions, soft serve, more inclusions, more soft serve, then half and flavor compound. Check for consistency after blending, adding additional half and half or soft serve as needed for desired texture. For contrast in flavor and appealing visual presentation, Itaberco toppings and sauces make excellent garnishes. Thick and flavorfully indulgent with endless possibilities thanks to the family of Itaberco products? Now that's an ingredient for a sweeter life.